Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the Xbox Live service and isolating local network problems. First, check the console's network settings to see if it reports an outage. Note any error code. Next, power off your Xbox and unplug the router for 60 seconds, then power the router back on and wait for all lights to stabilize before powering the console. If you have an Ethernet cable, connect it now to bypass wireless. These steps reveal whether the issue is global, ISP-related, or local to your Wi-Fi. Once you confirm it's not an outage and wired testing still fails, adjust router settings to fix routing and address translation. You'll check the NAT type on the Xbox. If it's strict or moderate, enable UPnP in the router or manually forward Xbox Live ports, 3074 UDP/TCP, and others. Assign a static IP on the console so port mappings remain consistent. If you detect double NAT, enable bridge mode on the modem or place the router into DMs. You finish by purging cached network settings and validating account-level blockers. Clear the local console cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds, then restart and run the Xbox network test. Confirm multiplayer and party chat connect. Also verify your Xbox Live account is signed in, parental controls aren't blocking online access, and console date/time is correct. If problems persist, test using a mobile hotspot to rule out ISP issues. One key tip: if hotspot works, engage your ISP and provide NAT/traceroute evidence for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.